Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Did the governor of Rivers State, Simi Fubara, missed an opportunity when he did not go to court to challenge his illegal removal from office by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu through a state of emergency that is also questionable? That is what we're going to talk about in this video. In the light of the former spokesperson or former Vice President Yemi Osinbajo, Laolu Akande, who was saying that if he was in the shoes of Simi Fubara, the governor of Rivers State, who was illegally suspended by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that he would have gone to court, that he wouldn't have waited for the People's Democratic Party's governors to be the ones to go to court. That is what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, Laolu Akande, who was speaking in his in the channel's television program that he anchors, was saying that if he was in the shoes of Simi Fubara, the governor of Rivers State that was suspended illegally by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that he would have gone to court to challenge that suspension. And he also said that if that kind of thing was to happen to Bola Ahmed Tinubu when he was governor of Lagos State, that Tinubu would not sit quiet, that Tinubu would have gone to court to challenge that kind of action. He therefore presented it that Simi Fubara displayed an uncanny weakness as a leader, that he feels so relaxed instead of challenging the injustice that was done to him. Now, there are valid points in some of the things he said, like Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Bola Ahmed Tinubu will not have taken that. It's not only Bola Ahmed Tinubu that will not take that. Imagine Buhari did it to Nyesom Wike when Nyesom Wike was governor. Nyesom Wike will not take it. Nyesom Wike will go to any length to challenge it. In fact, Nyesom Wike is somebody that he will do anything legally possible to ensure that to frustrate that kind of thing happening to him. That is true. But is Fubara wrong in not towing the same line? Is Fubara wrong by being a gentleman to a fault, literally, by not going to court? I do not think that Fubara did it out of weakness. I do not think that Fubara not going to court to challenge it is a measure of his being a weak leader. Fubara has shown courage when courage needs to be shown. Remember how Fubara stood his ground. Did you see the eye of Fubara? Did you see his eyes when he stood before the policemen and said that he was ready to die to ensure that the local government election of October 5, 2024 was conducted? When the police appears to connive with those who want to scuttle that election. Of course, you and I know that the Supreme Court later stated that that election was illegal. But that's what we get in Nigerian courts today. So the way he stood his ground, he knows when to fight. The reason why he's not fighting this is because this fight is a fight that was imposed on him by the president of Nigeria. And he didn't think that it was necessary to go to court. Apparently, Fubara has lost confidence in the courts of Nigeria. The courts of Nigeria that President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan said that Nigeria judiciary now is a judiciary where one man tell them what to write as judgment. He said they go and listen to his recent outing when he talked about the reverse crisis. He was talking about how do you run a country and expect foreign investors to come there when you don't have a judiciary that is independent. He said you have a judiciary where one man will tell judges what to write as judgment. So when you have that kind of situation as we have in Nigerian judiciary, that according to Goodluck Jonathan, one man can tell a judge what to write as the judgment. Why would you waste your time to go to court? It's just like those who are now who say that they will go to court to challenge the imposition of sole administrator in Rivers State, an unelected sole administrator. It's a good development. They can go to court. The only thing that is likely to achieve, in my mind, is that it will present another opportunity for those judges to continue to embarrass themselves, so that history will continue to record it, that they are among the people that messed up Nigeria's judiciary. So you go to court, even though you know you have a good case, but you are not expected to get the right result, because those who are there, they have already made up their mind that they are political judges, or they are politically leaning judges. Now, if judges are politically leaning, then we have to change the issue of appointing judges so that judges can begin to contest the election. There are several countries, judges, if you want to be a judge, you contest the election to be a judge, so that we can know that you are an APC leaning judge. We know PDP leaning judge. We know Abga leaning judge. We now know Labour Party leaning judge. There are countries where people contest to be judges, so that we now know we have political judges. But we are practicing the British system of justice. In other words, judges are expected to be above board. They are expected to be impartial. But these days, people go to courts just to fulfill all righteousness, not because they hope to get justice, especially when they are up against a powerful figure like the president of Nigeria. You think that Fubara can take Tinubu to the Supreme Court and win? Because Fubara challenging Tinubu now on his illegal imposition of state of emergency will end up at the Supreme Court. You think that this Supreme Court that has an indigene of Lagos State as the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Fubara will take a matter there and get justice? Is that possible? Is that possible? I don't think it is possible. I think Laolu Akande While it may be technically in order to go think about going to court to challenge it by Fubara, the fact of the matter remains that it is difficult to challenge APC leader or APC people in Nigeria's court of today and win. That was why when P2B spoke recently, talk about that you can't have democracy when you don't have independent judiciary. That's the truth of the matter. Do we have independent judiciary that Fubara can get justice from? That is why many are believing that we don't have democracy. What we have is just civil rule, which is different from democracy, which is different from being in khaki. So the civilians are now acting like the military people, but they are wearing civilian abada. That's the difference between them. So you are not likely to get justice. So I can understand Fubara not feeling any need to go. But what like Laolu Akande said, what is good is that the PDP, they did well by going, their governors did well by going to court, at least, to challenge them. Because the way I'm seeing the body language of Bola Ahmed Tinubu and co, the way they are going about turning the whole thing into financial resources investigation in River State shows that they're after the money of River State now and not about security. Because the essence of state of emergency is you're talking about breakdown of law and order, that people are attacking pipelines, that they want to restore security. Fine and good, that should be their priority. But why are they now looking into the finances of Fubara? Is that why what brought them to Port Harcourt? So when you begin to see this kind of diversion from their real assignment, you begin to wonder, are you sure that Fubara will return after 6 months? Are you sure? Or these people are plotting something sinister? Is that not something that people should worry about? That is where it becomes an interesting thing to observe, because their body language is indicating that they may stay there beyond the 6 months. That's from what I'm saying. I don't know what you have seen from what is developing in River State. The body language of the president, the body language of the administrator, the kind of things that Yeso Wikedi, who is an interested party, and who is a party to the issue in River State, the kind of things they are saying, it doesn't show that they would like this matter to be sorted out in 6 months. They may want to extend it, but you never can tell. Let's keep on watching as the world continue to monitor and see where Tinubu is taking Nigeria democracy. I don't know what to think about Fubara not going to court. Is it a good idea? Or going to court makes no sense when one man can tell a judge what to write as judgment, as President Goodluck Jonathan said recently. What is your position? Let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel or have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and I'll recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.